AWeber is an email marketing platform that helps users create, manage, and send email campaigns to their audience. Here's how to use AWeber for beginners. Sign up and log in. Visit AWeber and sign up for an account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Create an email list. To start, create an email list where your contacts will be stored. From the dashboard, click Manage List and then Create a list. Add your list's name and description. Add contacts. You can manually add contacts or import them from a file. Go to Subscribers and click Add Subscribers to upload your contact list. Create an email campaign. To create an email, click Create a message from the dashboard. Choose a template, customize your email's design, add content, and include a call to action. Set up autoresponders. You can automate email responses by setting up autoresponders. Go to Messages, Follow-up Series, and schedule automated emails that are triggered when someone subscribes. Analyze campaigns. After sending emails, track their performance on the reports. Here, you can see open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics to improve future campaigns.